In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group chat in Microsoft Teams. This guide is designed to help you clear away old or unnecessary conversations to maintain an organized workspace within Teams. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're logged into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't done that yet, take a moment to do so. You'll usually find the login portal on the main page of Microsoft Teams. It's crucial to be signed in for any changes you make to be applied to your account. Once you're logged in, you will need to navigate to the Chat tab, which is typically located at the top left corner of your Teams interface. This tab contains all your individual and group conversations. You'll want to locate the specific group chat that you wish to delete. After you've found the group chat, simply click on it to enter the chat. This step is essential because deleting a group chat happens from within the chat interface. Now, look closely at the group chat title, where you'll notice three small dots beside the name of the chat. These three dots represent the More Options menu, where you'll find additional actions you can perform related to the chat. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Delete. When you're ready to proceed, click on this Delete button. A word of caution here. Once you delete a chat, it's gone for good, so ensure that this is indeed the action you want to take. After you click Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. The prompt will ask if you're sure you want to delete the group chat. To finalize this action, click Yes, Delete. This final confirmation ensures that the chat is permanently deleted from your Teams account, freeing your interface from unnecessary conversations and helping you maintain a tidy workspace. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a group chat in Microsoft Teams. This process can greatly assist in keeping your chats manageable and removing any clutter that might have accumulated over time. Remember to always double-check before deleting, as this action cannot be undone. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions about Microsoft Teams or just technology in general, feel free to ask. Happy organizing!